here at the an area that I wanted to check out before we left, and I am finding some pretty interesting things. Like, I want to really check this area out better. Yes. I got the voice box on. If anybody's here, that's my finger. Let me know. Go check something out. Look at this. Got a hanger over here. Got a floater. Oh, look at this. This is probably natural, but what is that about?
Presentation.
Wow. I think that's natural, but that could be natural, but it could be being used by some creature. I don't know. Okay, I gotta get back to the car. I just wanted to walk in here and check it all out. There's a lot of stuff to check out. Okay, I'm gonna leave.
Excerpt. It has actually been
I'm gonna film from behind, just in case.
Still something.
Very interesting area. Very pretty mushrooms. Lots of them.
And teeth.
The name I can't.
And search for an.
A lot of mistakes.
Which you're playing.
Get in my car and go home.
As if.
Feels a little.
Thanks for having me out. I'll be back.
I see the bench.
Critter might be living in there.